to do with the land that has been acquired for this pub that was gutted in the blaze on that ill-fated night of the 7th of December in Arpora village. We're talking about Birch by Romeo Lane, and there has been another revelation in this acquiring of the land for Romeo Lane. CNN News 18 has managed to access the December 2023 complaint to the Town and Country Planning Department of Goa. The Town and Country Planning Department had pushed, in fact, it on the village panchayat, and report on the illegal conversion of the land by the government department has also been mentioned, and that detail has been accessed by CNN News 18. My colleague Simran is with us on the broadcast with that very detail and that document that we have exclusively managed to access. We're also putting that out for our viewers. Simran?
Well, absolutely, as in fact you rightly pointed out to these documents, they speak for themselves. While we also understand that these are the official documents, and the paper trail reveals a series of the notices and the series of orders that were issued prior to the action that was taken. There were demolition notices that were being put, and in these documents, what could be understood, if we talk about the brief largely, is that the complainants, while being the original owner of this land that was now sent, that was given to Khosla, but it did not legally acquire the land. And without legally acquiring the land, he had sold it to the Luthra brothers. So Surinder Khosla, who is a British citizen as well, he is also named in these complaints. These complaints were directed to the Town and Country Planning Department of the government, and the Town and Country Planning Department of the government sometime back in 2023, after acting on these complaints that named Khosla, they forwarded the matter to the village panchayat. The village panchayat in their orders thereafter did also not take any action, but they did put up the notices. So it was just like, in fact, forwarding the complaints to the departments. However, the big question here that remains at large is that the Town and Country Planning Department, which was there in fact in the series of taking actions as per a government body, the autonomous body, why and how, on what premises did they forwarded the matter to the village panchayat? That in itself is a big question, which can be a loophole in these documents that will also be a part of in the investigation further, while this is a part of how the illegalities that were being functioned on the same land, that in its nature also was a salt pan, and on that salt pan, this rainwater accumulation procedural norms that were flouted are also highlighted. So a lot of environmentalists also came in to the picture, and they submitted their point of view on this illegal land, that not just one property. As we spoke of, there were additional shops, the additional restaurants that were being maintained, and on these shops the business was being done. So this was being done for all over the last 2 years. Okay. And on these complaints, the village and country planning department, they had put up notices, but without any reply that was being given by the Luthra brothers, who were at that time in charge of running these businesses. So the entire series through which the channels of how the businesses were being operated on this land, that was in question in the very first place. That was highlighted even before there was a tragedy in making. As we spoke of, the recipe of the disaster was very much in front of us, and these documents,
absolutely.
This
Simran, do stay on with us. Let's also get in a quick word from Yesha. Yesha, once Surinder Khosla's name came into picture, he of course is not an Indian citizen, he's a British national. What are the Indian authorities now planning on doing about getting him for questioning, detaining him for questioning, or seeking his transit remand, considering he was the one who gave this land for construction when it was not supposed to be, it was not, in fact, it was part of that entire eco-sensitive zone. He could not have done that. It was absolutely illegal. No permissions were sought. No clearances were given to him. And despite all of this, he managed to sell this land for an establishment like Birch by Romeo Lane.
Absolutely. In fact, the prime focus for Goa police right now was to get hold of both these Luthra brothers. Now that they have in fact been detained from Thailand, they brought to Goa, is where now the police would focus on trying to understand the whereabouts of Surinder Khosla. When it comes to Surinder Khosla, like you've rightly said, He's a British citizen. He managed to get hold of this property at Arpora village almost a decade back. He purchases from the actual owners who have also been whistleblowers to in fact understand what really transpired, what went wrong at this very property. Now, once the Luthra brothers are in, is where cops will also try and piece together evidences to understand where Surinder Khosla is. So far as source-based information from Goa police is concerned, they've gone further to confirm that there's possibility that Surinder Khosla would have also left the country, in which is why the LOC was issued. In fact, there were 4 LOCs that were issued. One, of course, was against Ajay Gupta. Ajay Gupta has now been arrested. He'll be produced before the court today. Apart from that, the 2 LOCs were against both the Luthra brothers, Saurav and Gaurav Luthra. The 4th LOC was against Surinder Khosla. Surinder Khosla, is the actual owner of the land. Now here, as far as allegations are concerned, cops believe that Surinder Khosla was in the know-how of whatever was happening in there. Clearly, when it comes to the permission for Birch by Romeo Lane, what in fact was pointed out was that there were no required permissions, no NOCs that were collected. The fire NOC was just given without any consultation. So all of this are crucial allegations against the Luthra brothers while they're setting up this club. But what goes on to be seen is that, considering that this is a clear violation of the designation that the land parcel was sought for, and then this land parcel was sold in to be used as a club. So now this, of course, is a violation of the municipal guidelines for Goa. And when it comes to the same, is where Surinder Khosla can also be charged. However, for this is where the local authorities would have to approach the police to look into this very case.
Okay,
Yes.
so Simran, land sold to be used to function as a club. All of this is part of the documentation process. However, the Luthra brothers, while putting that anticipatory bail plea in the Delhi Rohini court, have mentioned that they're not the original owners. They've only been leasing this land. How true is that claim?
Well, absolutely. That's where the contradiction comes into the picture. Because at that point where we have the documents supporting that these are the partners on the papers, and not just them, Ajay Gupta, the third certain person that you have also spoken about, who has been detained by the Goa police here, and then in fact he also tried to manipulate the police through a medical emergency as well. So they were all the partners, and now when they are proceeding through legal avenues, and they are making their statements before the legal bench, they say that this is not into their day-to-day operations of operating whatever has happened. So they are only responding to making easier passage for them to be away from this entire passage, where it only goes on to show the kind of insensitivity and the kind of carelessness with which they were anyways operating for over 2 years, and they are also not complying with the fact that the complaints are all addressed in their names as well, because they are the owners at this given time. Surinder commits crime, but at the same time the club was named under the Luthra brothers. So this anyway becomes a big
orders for demolition
for the
were
Luthra
addressed
brothers
to Khosla or the Luthra brothers. The orders that you're mentioning, Simran, were they addressed